Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on geometric progression. We have that the first term of a geometric progression is given as t over 4. That is a, which is the first term of this geometric progression, is given as 3 over 4. Now, if the product of the second term and the third term of this sequence is 972, we have to find its common ratio. Now, first and foremost, geometric progressions, GP, they are given their Tn, the nth term of any GP, is given as a r raised to power n minus 1. Now, this is the governing equation for any nth term of a GP. So that my T1 now is equals to a and is equals to 3 over 4. I can write my geometric sequence as 3 over 4. Then I have a T1, I have a T2, then the sequence continues. Now, but I've been told that my T1, which is equals to a, that's 3 over 4, my a is 3 over 4, into r raised to power, that's this T2, this T1, T2, and here is T3. Now, so this is T2, n now will be n is 2 minus 1, this is 1, and T3, which is equals to 3 over 4, into r raised to power, n now is 3 minus 1, so I have 2 here. And I've been told that the product of T2 times T3 is the same thing as 972. So we'll take it one after the other so that we don't get confused. And to find its common ratio, that's the R. Now I have 3 over 4, which is T1 R times 3 over 4 T2, that's R raised to power 2, is equals to 972. I can rearrange this to 3 over 4 dot 3 over 4 dot r raised to power 3, that's r times r squared, that's r raised to power 3, equals 972. Then I can divide both sides by 3 over 4 times 3 over 4, and I'll divide this side by 3 over 4 times 3 over 4. Then this cancels this, so that r raised to power 3 is the same thing as 972 times 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. 3 here is 1, 3 in 9 is 3, 3 times 3, that's 9, and 3 in 7 is 2. I'll carry 1 to 2, that's 12, 3 in 12, that's 4. So I'm left with 3 again. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 1, and in 2, that's 0, in 24 is 8, that's 108. So that r raised to power 3 is equals to 108 times 4 times 4. Now I'll need to find the square root of the cube root because I have r over 3 here of both sides. So I'll just want to take the factors of 108 to enable me find the cube root without using calculator. 8 here, if I use 2 here will give me 5 and 4. 2 here will give me 2 and 7. So I'm left with 7. 27 is the same thing as 3. Here is 9. Here is 3. Here is 3. Here is 3. Then I have the cube root there. Yes, 2 times 2 here is 4. So that r raised to power 3 will be the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 4. That's the 108 times 4 times 4. Both 4s from here I've added them. So the cube root, I'll take the cube root of this side. Also, I'll take the cube root of this side. So that r now will be the same thing as, for 3, I'll have 3 times, and for 4, I have 4 times 4, which is equals to 12. My r is equals to 12. So that the r, which is a common ratio for this expression, is same thing as 12. With this, I hope you understood how I find the common ratio of the geometric progression. I'll be glad you share your comments with us in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.